The Park Tool PCS-10.2 Deluxe Home Mechanic Workstand takes Park Tool's 50 years of experience creating professional shop stands and applies them to a high-quality, full-featured workstand for the home mechanic. Engineered with a reinforced three-point leg system and constructed from teardrop-shaped steel tubing to resist rotation, the PCS-10.2 securely holds bicycles up to 80 pounds. The PCS-10.2 is equipped to hold nearly any bike in any position with 18 inches of height adjustment and 360 degrees of clamp rotation. Based on our tried-and-true shop clamp design, the cam-actuated micro-adjustable clamp allows for quick entry and exit and secures tubes and seat posts of nearly any shape and material. The integrated saddle pad allows for quick adjustments or storage without clamping into the stand. The PCS-10.2 folds compactly in seconds for quick and easy transportation and storage. The included compact height-adjustable work tray holds tools, small parts, and optional accessories. The quick-release height adjustment collar features ports for optional accessories such as the 106 tool tray. Durable, capable, and versatile, the PCS-10.2 is the perfect workstand for your home shop.